Hello, hi, good morning, everyone.
Hey, hi, Sekhar. Good morning.
Yeah.
Good
Okay,
morning.
I hope you can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So in last session, just we discussed about what? What is the AI? What overview of AI? Why should I go for AI? AI advantages. Am I right?
Yeah. Yeah, Sekhar.
Yeah. Yeah. Now, you people tell me, guys, what is the AI and what are the advantages of the AI?
So AI, it is like it stands for artificial intelligence, and it helps to predict and the future business results, how it will go.
Okay. Yeah. Let's see. I will give the simple definition. Okay.
Yeah.
One line definition is what? AI is a what? Simulation of human intelligence. I am repeating. What is the AI? Simulation of human intelligence is called
Yeah.
AI.
Yeah.
That is the first definition, right? Second definition, AI is a software which will act like as a human is called AI. Am I right? I am giving two definition. One is what? AI is a what? Simulation of human intelligence is called AI. Other one is what? AI is a software which will act as a like what? Human is called AI. Okay. Third one is simply we can say artificial intelligence is a simulation of human intelligence where missions think, learn, and make decision is called AI. Am I right? In other words, simply we can say we will enable missions think, learn, and provide the, provide the decision or insight to the customer is called AI. Clear? Okay. Here, everything done by missions. Am I right, guys? Think, learn, provide insights, provide decision making, provide prediction. All these things are provided by what? Missions. That's why I given the definition that AI makes enable missions think. What is that? Learn and make decision prediction is called AI. Clear? Okay,
Yes.
guys. Yeah. Next. What are the this is about what? AI. What are the key features of AI? One is what? Automative repetitive task. Automate repetitive task, right? So that is the one advantage of AI. Okay, second one is what? Improved accuracy. Improved accuracy and reduce the human errors. Second one. Okay, what is the third one? Self-improving system. Self-improving system in the sense AI will learn from the data every second. Are you getting? AI will learn from data for every second. Okay, so that's why here I mentioned improve systems. Okay, fourth one, solving the complex problems. What is that? Solving the complex problems is called AI. Next, other one is main thing is what? Security. What is that? Security and threat detection. It is easily done by what? What is that? AI. Okay, these are the features of AI. Clear? Let me note it down so that you can easily remember. Okay, yeah. What is the AI, guys? Artificial intelligence. What is that? First point. Artificial intelligence. What is the artificial intelligence? It is a simulation of human
Intelligence.
intelligence. Is called what is that? AI. Okay. In other words, we can say AI. What is that? Is a software. It will act as a
Human.
human. Is called AI. Clear? Okay, in other words, simply we can say AI is a simulation of human intelligence. Okay, it will make machines machines uh, learn, think, and make. Okay, what is that? Predictions. Okay, make uh, predictions. Uh, Decision makings. Or what is the AI? Clear?
Yeah.
So what are the advantages of the AI, guys? Clearly, yesterday we have given, right? Advantages of AI. Anyone? What are the advantages of the AI?
It keeps, data accuracy, and
Okay. Simple.
then, yeah,
Automation. What is that? Automation. First point,
yeah,
automation of repetitive tasks.
yes,
Okay. Automation of repetitive tasks. Okay. Second one. Yeah. Whatever you said, what is that? Improved accuracy.
improved data accuracy,
Yeah. Improved accuracy. And reduce the human error.
and
Okay. Yeah. Next, third one. Solve the complex
complex problems.
problems. Okay. Yeah. Fourth one. Self-improvement. Okay. Self-improving, and in the sense, what does it mean? For example, today I make one mistake. So I can learn from mistakes and tomorrow I won't repeat it. Am I right? Yes or no? Same way, systems will train from the data for every minute. What is that? Every minute. Clear? Clear, guys?
Yes.
Yeah. Next,
Yeah,
what is the fifth one?
security.
Exam. Okay, security and threat detection. Security and threat detection. Okay, detection. You know, right? In social media, lot of fake news are roaming. Am I right?
Yeah.
Of fake news is enough. If you implement AI, all these duplicate fake news will be removed, and it will provide the security for user data. Got it. You know, right? Facebook, Instagram, lot of now fake news and duplicate things and all moving on. Okay. If they implement correct AI and all on these things, that fake news, whatever they are providing, it will get deleted automatically. It will provide accuracy data, guys. Still, they are in process. Maybe we can expect it in another 6 to 1 year.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Next. This is about what advantage of the what is the AI? Advantage of the AI. Okay. Now, next, if I'm not going for AI, what will happen? Very
Yeah.
simple. We have to spend a lot of time, lot of resources. Am I right? For
Yes.
example,
Yes.
if we consider banking system itself, assume that you would like to apply home loan. Okay, generally when you apply home loan, what will happen? The agent will visit your home, collect all land related and asset related documents. Okay, they will go back to bank and review all these documents, and finally they will analyze and come back. Right? If any documents are missed out, again they will ask you. They will visit. Okay, they will take it all these documents again. They will start reviewing and moving forward to next level. All of things, it will take minimum 1 month. Am I right to approve the home loan? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, so it is a time taken process, and we need to allocate many resources to gather entire information to process the loan approval. So if we implement AI, that's it. Whatever land assets documents are there, it will review and take the inputs around the site and assets as per government valuation. What is the construction cost? It will give you entire insight to the customer. Okay, finally we can approve this much loan or not. It will decide it where exactly we will implement AI. So nowadays AI is implementing in all sectors. Am I right? AI is implementing all sectors. We can say where can we use AI? Where can we use AI, guys? In all sector, I can say. Okay, I can say education domain. Education. Okay, education sectors. Next, healthcare domain. Healthcare domain. Next, BFS, bank. What is that? Bank. Next, come on, what else? Bank, finance. Okay, automobile industry. Automotive industry. Automotive industry. Okay, next, where else?
Poor decision making.
Yeah, in all sectors we will use AI. Got
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
Okay, marketing sector. Okay, almost all sector without AI there is no, what is that application nowadays, guys? Trust me. Okay, yeah, next. Now this is the AI. Okay, who are offering AI, guys, in the market? Who
Chat.
are offering AI?
I mean, company wise, most of the companies.
NVIDIA,
Okay, what else?
NVIDIA, Apple,
Meta.
Okay,
yes,
so
Meta.
yeah, I can say Azure, Google, AWS. These are the cloud. 100% they are offering AI. You can
Okay.
develop your own and deploy the what is that AI application in their environment. Okay, yeah. Simply we can say who are offering the AI. One I can say Microsoft. Microsoft Azure. Am I right?
Azure.
Cloud. Microsoft Azure Cloud.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next for who else? Google Cloud. Okay, Google they came up with what?
GCP.
GCP.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, AWS also they are. You can develop your own AI applications, and they are providing environment. You can use it. So, but they did not come up with their own product. Are you getting?
Yes.
Okay. Microsoft Azure Cloud came up with what? Copilot. Am I right?
Oh,
Copilot is a
sir, but
replication.
sorry, the AWS has some SDKs, right? That's not AI.
That's what I'm telling. See, they are
Oh,
this
okay,
mine is cloud platform. Okay. I can provide the all the services. Okay, Meta AI, OpenAI, Microsoft AI, everything. If you want, you can consume it and host it, right? That's what I'm telling.
got it.
I mean, Microsoft came up with Copilot. Okay. Google came up with what? Gemini AI. Am I right? Do you remember?
Gemini, yeah, it was
Gemini?
Yeah.
bought before.
Yeah. So they came up with their own chatbots and providing the agents and all, right? Okay, next AWS, no, as of now. Now, OpenAI is there, right? You know, OpenAI, they came up with what? GPT models. GPT models. Okay, Microsoft and OpenAI both together collaboratively they are developing the what is that models, and the Microsoft directly they can integrate with what? Their own products, guys. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so Meta also they came up with their own product. What is that, guys? Model mainly they came up with Llama. Have you heard about it?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah,
Llama. It is open source limitation they have provided. If you want to use full-fledged, you can go and purchase the what is that those models. Okay. Yeah, these are
Yeah.
important. There are many. As someone said, NVIDIA also they came up with. What is that? NVIDIA. Okay, NVIDIA, they are providing AI infrastructure. NVIDIA, they are providing infrastructure to train large models. What is that? NVIDIA, you know, right? Mainly this, they will develop about chips and all. Do you know why NVIDIA all of a sudden came into the picture? Whatever the chips they have developed now, AI application running perfectly. Okay, if you ask me, hey, can I use my laptop to deploy AI application? Yes, but it is the legacy. Am I right? It is the legacy.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, yeah. So NVIDIA, they have developed GPU and TPU chips. They have developed GPU and the TPU. What is that? Processors, graphical process unit and the tensor process units, guys. So tensor process units, tensor unit process are very high cost. Almost you have to spend entire amount from your pocket. Okay, 60 to 80% of amount you have to spend it. So, but same way we can expect the performance as well. See, you know, right? There is a lot of difference between Sony TV and what is that? MI TV. Yes or no? Even though they
Yes.
have different features, same funda. Okay, yeah. Next, these are about what? Who are offering? Yeah. Okay. Next, see in the market, even we have these many offers. Then why should I go for Microsoft Azure AI?
I mean, it is being used vastly
Okay. So
because
main
of,
thing
yeah.
you have to trust nowadays is how security they are providing our data.
Yeah.
Okay, how security we are providing for customer data or user data, right? Even though you have provided beautiful features and all, if there is no security for your data, then no one will trust you, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So Microsoft is there since 5 decades in the market. Every year they are spending billions of dollars on especially security only. Okay, so they are encrypting in many layers of your data at any cost, even accidentally, okay, or wantedly also cannot lose your data. Clear, guys. Okay, so
Yeah.
everywhere nowadays, lot of new products are coming to the market. Main thing is what? Security. That is the main concern. Okay, yeah, next. Another real-time example, silly example, I will let you know. If I ask you, hey, give me 100 rupees, will you give? You will ask, who are you? Suppose your friend, your daddy, I know very well, then what you will do? You will give the 100 rupees through your daddy to me. Why? Because your daddy is the security over there for your money. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is what. Okay, yeah, next. Another thing is why Microsoft Azure? Why Microsoft Azure, guys? That's what. One is security.
Security.
Okay, one is security. Okay, what is the Microsoft Azure AI? What is the Microsoft Azure Cloud? Okay, another words I can say. What is the Microsoft Azure AI? What is the Microsoft Azure AI? Simple. It is the cloud-based platform. It is cloud-based platform. Okay, it is a cloud-based platform where developers, okay, developers and organization people can build. What is that? Can build, okay, deploy and manage the applications, AI applications. Manage the AI applications in Azure Cloud AI platform. Okay, yeah. So Microsoft Azure AI is a cloud-based platform where developers and organizations can build, deploy, and manage the AI application in Azure AI Cloud platform. Okay, so what Microsoft doing is, no, they are providing very good. They are providing very good platform, guys. I can say all in one. All in one means There is a single platform where we can deploy various types of applications, AI applications. For example, I want to use Meta AI. Yes, Microsoft providing that services directly. You can consume it for your application. For example, you like what is that? OpenAI GPT models. Yes, those services also they have deployed directly. You can consume it for your application. Got it. So AI is the one platform. Microsoft Azure AI is the one platform where we can deploy, manage, access AI application is called Microsoft Azure AI. Got it?
Sir, one question I have.
Yeah.
Microsoft also, you're familiar, right? They released this Microsoft Fabric.
Yes, correct.
So they do also, the Fabric also has the AI capabilities. So how different is that one compared to
Yeah,
Azure AI,
very
and which
good
is better?
question. Microsoft yeah, Fabric it is for data intelligence, guys. I mean, if you want to display the data in a beautiful format, okay, you know, right? There are multiple what is that? Data analyst tools are there. I can say uh,
So it is a next version of Power BI which
yeah,
creates
exactly. Power
dashboard.
by capabilities it contain, guys. That is the capability. Actually, customers they are facing the issue to use the AI. What is that? BI capabilities, right? There are many terminologies, many technologies they are providing. What is that? BI capabilities. So instead of that, Microsoft Fabric is the one platform where we can design any type of reports, beautiful reports. That is the
But
Fabric.
does they have AI? Any like just
Yeah,
like
they
that
have AI
Azure AI?
capabilities. So Fabric in the sense it will generate beautiful reports using AI capabilities. Okay, you know, data factory, data bricks, SQL Synapse, we are maintaining the data in different data sources, right? So to
Yeah,
process such kind of data and designing beautiful reports with AI capabilities, we will go for Microsoft Fabric. Earlier we have data analytics, data, there are many tools, guys. I can say ETL tools are there, right? Okay,
yeah.
ETL tools, there are many ETL tools to process various kind of data. Here, this is the one platform where we can process all kind of data. That is called Microsoft Fabric.
Okay, it's only for the analytics, not for developing chatbots or
No,
anything.
no, no. So
Okay.
Microsoft, they are providing only a single platform called AI Foundry, you know, right? AI Foundry, that is the
Yeah,
single platform where we can develop and deploy and access the any type of AI applications.
got it. Yes.
Okay. In other words, I can say you want to use Oracle server. You cannot go and purchase the what is that Oracle server with the Oracle company and use it, right? You need another SQL server. You cannot come back choose Microsoft Azure SQL server and purchase it and install in your environment. It doesn't make sense, right? So here Microsoft Azure is a single platform wherever you want. You want Oracle, yes, provision it. You want SQL Server, yes, provision it. You want to use MySQL, okay, and SAP, HANA basis and all, anything you can use it. Single platform. Okay, in best example, if you go for DMart, no, you can purchase everything. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah, like shirts, pants, grocery items. Okay. What is that? Biscuits, chocolates, everything single platform. If you go for our beside any shop, we will have limited, right? Yes or no? That's what. Here
Yes.
they are providing a very good platform where we can build and deploy AI related applications.
Yes. Another question, sir. Is it worth it to study Azure AI? Because
Is
even
it?
when we have open sources, like, is it worth or is it important to
Yeah,
study Azure AI?
100%.
Because does companies invest in Azure AI because it's quite expensive compared to Hugging Face or any free source, and they can start their own
Yes.
custom security platforms? Why AI? Why they have to go into Azure? The companies when they
Yeah,
have
so
free
that's what.
options.
Yeah. Yes. Every AI application is cost, guys. Every AI application at this moment in the market, it is cost. But there would be a little bit vary if you go for various platform like Google and AWS and all. But why Azure also little bit cost, I can say, is they are providing security of your data. That is the one thing. Okay, another thing is cost effective. Cost effective in the sense, my AI application will have limitation like this. Then according to that, they will charge you. Are you getting? I will use my AI application for 15 days. We need limited storage, limited resources. I will consume it. Then it will provide what? Hourly basis chargeable, applicable. Then after 15 days, you can deprecate it or you can destroy your AI environment in Azure cloud. That is the one feature.
So you're saying that Azure AI is still better than we using the open source like Hugging Face and then
Y-
develop our own security by company is
Yes,
investing
correct.
in AI is Azure is
Yes,
better, you say?
yes, correct. So if you go for OpenAI, where is the security? And one more thing, I know about Llama. Llama is a open source. People are telling, right? They are providing only limited features. If you want to use full-fledged features, yes, you have to purchase it, guys.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah, correct.
that already Meta, Zuckerberg already they have informed. Llama is a open source, but with limited versions. If you want to use full-fledged, you have to pay. So when you are paying something, no, obviously they will go for good platform, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm sorry for asking questions
Hey,
because
no
I failed
problem.
one interview because of this question. They asked why did you guys use AI, Azure instead of we have resources. I had no
Yes.
better answer to give in the interview.
Yeah, yeah. But no issues. Blindly, you can ask any questions.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Next. Lot of amount they have invested on AI, Microsoft, and billions and billions amount they have invested to provide full-fledged platform for entire enterprise grade applications, enterprise premiums to develop their own AI applications, guys. Right? Still, we have Azure Cloud, Microsoft Azure Cloud, Google Cloud, AWS Cloud. Now, most of the people they are preferring Microsoft Azure only. So I totally agree. Previously, AWS is the market leader. If you go and consider, Azure is the market leader. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Next.
I've seen another like about AWS. They got their new AI model called Amazon AWS Nova. I didn't know if they are so powerful than Azure AI, but
AWS
assuming
Nova, right?
yeah.
Yeah, hear that. But that is the one model. Microsoft came up with like around 700 models.
Uh, okay.
Okay, so AI, Microsoft Azure, they had their own AI models. Like, for example, I have one hospital. I want to implement what is that? Microsoft Azure AI models. So it will choose best model based on my data. See, my data is hospital data. If I go and implement my model on retail related model, that doesn't make sense, right? Yes or no? Okay, so
Yes.
I should deploy best healthcare related AI model so that I can analyze about patient data, doctor data, and all. Okay, so what Microsoft Azure AI specialty is, no, I don't know which type of data I have. Am I right? If I deploy Microsoft Azure AI models, Microsoft Azure AI itself analyze about your data, whether it is retail data or hospital data or marketing data or automate data or BFS, banking data and all. It will choose best model. It will analyze about your data. It will deploy best models. It will satisfy 99%. Got it? So that's
Yeah.
why Microsoft Azure AI is they came up with pre-built services. What is that? Pre-built services. Okay, Microsoft came up with what? Pre-built services. Okay.
And is it only aligned with cloud,
Yeah, only aligned with the cloud. You
not
go for
on premise?
Microsoft Azure,
Yeah.
yes, you can consume it directly.
Okay.
Okay, so these are all what is that? Popular services. What is that? These are the popular services. We can use it. Okay. Important.
Yeah.
You can integrate with your applications. Okay, what are they? Let's see. Okay, one thing I can say like this, we can put. Okay, one thing, language services. Okay, language services, keep it in our mind, guys. People will confusion about what is the NLP and all. Okay, language services, always it uses the NLP process, guys. Are you getting? NLP means natural language processing.
Yeah.
All languages services, blindly remember, internally they will process the what? Natural language processing capabilities. Okay, language services. They are providing built-in services. Okay, next they are providing speech services. What is that? Speech services. You know, right? Nowadays, beautiful, what is that? Speech services are there. Uh, I am telling, what is the Azure? Azure is a cloud platform developed by Microsoft. Assume that same words can be converted, okay, into your local languages and speech done by one beautiful lady. Are you getting? Very simple example. If I train you, you may not like it. Am I right? Because of my beauty and all. Okay, if I display one beautiful girl and speaking about same words, will you have interest or not? Yes, that is what speech services guys. The speech will be taken care by speech services. It will display beautiful ladies and beautiful humans. It will explain same thing. Okay, that is the beautiful features they have implemented. I will show you. Okay, really it is wonderful. Okay, next, vision. You know, right? Vision service is very important. We can call it as computer vision, guys. What is that? Computer vision. Okay, computer vision, it will analyze the data which is coming from images and visualization, cameras, videos, guys. Okay, so it is using in Tesla cars, driverless cars and all they are using. Okay, we'll come to that point. Next, document intelligence. Document intelligence. Okay, document intelligence means, what does that mean? There is a number of documents. We cannot process to analyze those documents, right? There is huge amount of data. So there it will process n number of documents and provide the insight to the customer. Okay, other one is translator. What is the translator? Your language. Generally, translator, it will convert one language into multiple language. Okay, now it is supporting 100 languages, guys. For example, I am speaking in English. I don't know what is the English, how to understand it. My native language is Telugu. So the translator, it will translate the English language content into Telugu language automatically. Okay, so that is what pre-built services. Okay, content safety. Okay, content safety is like one of the feature. If you implement it, no, it will destroy the all vulnerable content, guys. You know, right? Nowadays, Instagram and all, we can see some videos which we cannot see it at all. Am I right? They have some messages and all. So such kind of videos will deprecate it, or I can say disappear. It will give the useful and informative content. That is about content safety. Clear? For example, your application is there, some ABC application. Someone, what is that? Uploaded some sexual harassment one image. So what it does, immediately it won't be appear for search engine and all. That's it. That is what content safety. Okay. Yeah. Next. Another thing is face detection. Okay, page detection at this moment, you have to provide the justification to Microsoft when you use this service, guys. Why? Because there would be a chances of misuse it. Okay, then you should provide the legal agreement. I am not going to use this service for what is that? Different purpose. It is for useful and enterprise purpose you are using. That you have to provide the legal agreement with Microsoft so that you can use face detection. Got it? Okay, yeah, next. Another thing is here face detection. This is what? Content safety. Okay, yeah, next. Okay, these are the what is that important Microsoft AI services they are providing. Apart from that, these are integrated with OpenAI. Okay, what is that? These are integrated with what? OpenAI, guys. Directly you can use it. Clear? Any questions? Any doubts so far? Okay, same services we can directly use it. OpenAI. Okay, and another important thing is each and every service they have integrated with Copilot. This is the beautiful and bullet point I guess. Okay, so Copilot integrated with each and every product. Nowadays, you need not go on choose the option and create it. Open Copilot. Hey, go and create one virtual machine with Windows Server 2025 with 4 CPUs, 8 GB memory. That's it. Automatically, it will go and deploy your VM, guys. Are you getting? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Okay, yeah, you need not go to Azure portal. Okay, open your Azure portal, go to virtual machines tab. Okay, go on, need not fill out all these things and click on submit. It will take to fill the details itself, it will take 5 minutes. To deploy VM, it will take another minute, total 6 minutes, right? Instead of that, if you tell it Copilot, go and create one virtual machine with so and so, that's it with East US or India region, that's it. It will deploy. Even though if you are not telling all these things, then go and deploy VM with these information in the sense by default, which domain you are in India, right? It will deploy your VM with the nearest data centers. That's it. That is the power of Copilot. So Copilot integration, I can say. Copilot integration. Okay. Yeah. Next. So nowadays Azure AI usage is very, very high. I am not telling like a trainer, I am not telling as a working employee in Microsoft Technologies and all. That is fact. Okay. So most of the premium and enterprise premiums, enterprise grade applications, they are already using Microsoft Azure AI on platform. Okay. Yeah. Next. Now, here Microsoft given Azure AI Foundry, guys. Microsoft Azure AI Foundry, it is the AI tool. Okay, AI Foundry. In other words, I can say it is the workspace. Build and deploy what? All AI applications. Okay, what is the Azure AI Foundry? If someone come to ask, it is a workspace. Okay, it's a workspace for building and deploying AI applications and AI agents using this tool. Using this tool, guys. Clear, clear. Okay, this is about
Yeah.
Azure AI Foundry. Okay, it is a good GUI interface. Good GUI interface. Okay, where we can go and develop machine learning models. You can use existing AI models. Okay, you can go and play games with AI applications and all this. Okay, yeah, here Microsoft they are providing play agents. What is that? Microsoft they are providing what? Playground. Playground. playground agents. Without code, we can develop it. Without code, you can consume the services. Simply, we can say. Okay, you can test the agents. Okay, without writing the code. Okay, we can test the models directly. You can deploy and use it. Okay, in model interface. Okay, you can use same playground interface. It's a simple workspace, guys. That's it. Okay. Yeah. Next. So at this moment from Microsoft end, we have they bring all the services into AI Foundry. This is the workspace where we can develop various types of AI models. You can consume it AI models. You know, right? Important. Even DeepSeek also they came up with a lot of models. Am I right? If we want to use DeepSeek AI models, yes. That service also they have provided. You can directly consume or call the APIs into your application. Your application could be what? Developed in .NET, Java, PHP, whatever it is existing application, directly you can call these APIs and consume those services, guys. Got it? Yeah, this is the overview of Azure. Yeah. Do you have any questions? I have provided entire meaningful information and helpful information.
I have few questions, sir, about this course.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I just didn't get enough time or any enough details about what will be
Yes.
taught in this AI 900 course. So, my question is, what is the capstone project or end project we will be doing as a part of this course? And my second question is, if you are using Azure Foundry AI or any other Azure, how will be the credits? Be by ourselves or you will provide us with the credits?
What is the second question? I didn't get you.
Like if you want to use the AI services on the Azure portal,
Mhm.
for the credits, I mean for use that computation credits, you have any? You do you provide us with any email ID and the
No, no,
credits, or
guys.
we
So
have to
environment
buy?
and all that is we have to take care about it.
Okay.
Yeah, so they are providing 16,700 free credits, right? So you have to utilize them and practice it. Okay.
Oh, they are
Yeah.
providing.
So
I didn't see. Okay.
yes, yes. Okay. Second, that is for 30 days only. Okay. That is for 30 days. And one more thing, first question you are asking about AI 900, right? So that is the basic starting entry point to enter in the Azure AI. So
No, no, no.
Azure
My
AI
first
9.
question was, what is the project we will be working on? What will be like as a part of this course? We will be developing a fully trained chatbot, or is it like any?
Yeah, here
We'll be
project.
learning the deployment.
Yes, we can do 5 to 6 projects here. They are providing the models, right? Okay, these models, how we can utilize it for in our Python code. Okay, for example, they are providing some models related to computer vision. I said, right? One CV, computer vision. How we can call these APIs into my Python application, how we can consume these services in my application, that all I will show you. Okay, I will show you computer vision, next language services, speech services, and face detection. And multiple applications we will deploy in AI Foundry. How we can integrate these ML models, AI models directly with AI Foundry. That all we will discuss. These are the projects, guys. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then, Sekhar, we need to create two accounts because it's like another 60 days, right?
Yeah.
So three accounts.
Yes, you need to create free account. Yes. So first I will discuss about two AI services. Then we will complete about total Python basics in one to 10 days, 1 week to 10 days. Then
Okay.
we will complete about rest of the services. That is my plan. But I am telling, you can remember my words like 24th June, I am telling. But most of the customers should come to Azure AI only, guys. Already big customers are they are using, they are deploying all these services models in Azure. So, but everyone should come one platform. Okay,
Yeah.
will you go for Gemini AI, Google? Will you come for Azure? Will you come for AWS AI? But you should come to cloud platform. Okay, those days are gone, guys. Core API in the sense I will develop the solution from the scratch. No one is there to spend the amount to develop everything from the scratch. Okay, nowadays everyone they are looking for plug and play. Plug it, consume, use it for your application. If something it is not suitable, customize it using existing one. That's it. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's all. Do you have any questions, queries?
As of
Uh,
now,
no. Just in Python, do we learn any specific libraries like, or is it like
Basic Python and OOPS concepts are required. See, for example, Microsoft came up with the n number of what is that modules, right? How we can
yeah.
consume those classes into our solution, you should know, right? If I call one method of module, then how we can call what are the parameters it is accepting, you should know basic. Got it?
So will you be covering those things?
Yeah, I will cover. Yes, that's what.
Okay. Great.
Okay. Why no? If after AI coming to the picture, then they are asking about little bit API calls integration and all. That's it. They are expecting, not a fully provision and monitor, deploy, troubleshooting. Support is different. Okay, implementation is different. Am I right? Support is different. Implementation is different. Implementation in a sense, as a Azure AI engineer, provisioning, deployment, managing, and all you have to take care. I will take care about only I don't involve in some other where troubleshoot is required from what is that development and where integration part is not working. Then you also should be part of the team and start working with them collaboratively and fix that issue. So where exactly you need basics of Python as well. Python is mandatory, guys. If you are coming to the AI, one truth word is Python is mandatory. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks for your time. Tomorrow I'll connect back. Bye. Have a great day. Take care.
Yeah.
thank you, sir.
Thank,
Thank you so
thank
much.
you. Good day.